Hey, hey. Tiny. Why say?
Body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. I don't wanna wait for nobody.
I'm in my hotel room. This is so freaking small. Like, I wasn't expecting this. Like, look at this. That's the closet. That's the safe. They gave me a rope. There's the iron. I don't know what this is. Hanger. Checkout time is 12 p.m. There's a thermos. Here's the call downstairs. What is this for air? To read all that later. So this is like a slidey thingy. Slides, and then it could open. There's my TV. There's my bed. There's that thing. There's a pen on the bed. Why would you put a pen on the bed? Come on. There's the floor. Outside looks nice, y'all. Look outside, y'all. It's already 10. I need to hurry up and order my Chinese food, y'all. There's the clock. What is this? I can open up the window. Yo, look at the views. Oh my god. Yo, the bed is so big. Damn. Let me stand over here and show y'all. There's a special light, so I can turn it off. This entrance right here. I can turn on the bath light. See how it'll turn on. But before I do that, look at the bed. Damn. Oh my god, look at the mirror. Wow. Another mirror. The what? Oh my god, this is not 4 Points. Because I've been to the 4 Points you've seen. I've been to at Niagara Falls and all shit. But this, what? Let's look inside the toilet. Somebody probably pooped and didn't clean it. Oh, it's actually clean. Oh my god, look at this. What? Are you kidding me? Yo, turn up. There's a blow dryer. What? What is vanity? Oh, you can turn on the look. You can turn that on. Look, a shower light. Oh my god. Just look at me. Oh my god. Like, I need this in my freaking life. When I move to my own house, this is gonna be it. What? So I wasn't able to meet up with the girls because it's getting late. One has an exam and whatever. I'll be back and tell you guys what happened with my shuttle. I need to go call my Chinese food people. I'm craving for Chinese food. I don't know. And then I'll get back to you because it's 10:10 and they close at 10:30 or 11, I heard. So yeah, I need to get my stuff. All right, hold on. So the shuttle bus was crazy. The guy was driving crazy. I got downstairs. I was looking for it. It was crazy. Standing outside in the rain, and then apparently I had to call in order to get my shuttle bus. I was so mad. I seen one leave, so I called over and let them know. I'm like, yo, I just saw a shuttle bus leave. I don't know if it's me. Okay, well, you have to go and check in and blah blah blah. So I was so mad. I came back inside. I told TFSA, one of TFSA, I was like, hey, what do I do? She's like, go right there and call. I asked another guy. I said, call. It's press 29. Call the share shuttle. It came. The guy was nice. Whatever. I only waited like 5 minutes. Okay. This guy got lost to where my location was, because on the thing, when I booked my thing, it says 446 10th Avenue or whatever, I mean 444 till 444's 10th Avenue, but then another address saying 446. Like, I'm confused. Even over here it says 446. I just ordered Chinese food. I don't know if it's gonna get to me. I really don't know. I should have given my cell phone number, but I don't know if it's gonna work. And then I get to the hotel, they said they only charge for one night. I was thinking I paid $355 for that, for the 3 or 4 days. Clearly they only charge for one day, and I was like, are you kidding me? So I had to use my other credit card. Like, I used the same credit card that I charged to it, but it didn't go through. I don't know what's wrong with my BMO card, so I had to use my Visa or my CIBC. Like, I don't know. I'm just waiting on my food. I'm hella hungry. I still didn't even take off my clothes. I think I should take it off now. Wash my face and all that. And contact the girls. Kind of happy, kind of not happy. But yeah. Long ass trip, yo. Long ass trip. I wish it goes better. I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned. Once I get my food, I'll let y'all know. Okay, bye. So I just got my food. I changed my clothes. I washed my face. I'm about to eat this food right here. I'll show you. I'm so tired, and it's 11 o'clock and I'm eating. I hate eating this late, but what can I do? The lipstick is still on me. Okay, so this is my food. I got it from here, Golden City. Oh, it says fast food free delivery, $7. Not bad. I hate how it's in here. Like, is this really gonna fill my belly? Hold on, y'all. So this is my food. Let's pray on this. God, thank you for having me receive my food tonight. I rebuke all evilness that's in my food. Thank you for letting me eat. Thank you for letting me go through customs nicely. And everything. Yeah, I'm gonna start my grace. Grace with our meals. Bless the Lord, and these I gifts you're about to receive from the heaven to Christ the Lord. Amen. Grace with our meals. Bless the Lord, and these I gifts you're about to receive from the heaven to Christ the Lord. Amen. I need my drink. Ah, so good. So damn good. Look at the food, y'all. This rice doesn't look like rice back in Toronto, y'all. Let me try it. Too many onions. Looks like they put a lot of beef. The guy that delivered to me was on a bike. I was like, Uber Eats. Not enough sauce. I'm gonna put I used to do this back in the day where I put a lot of soy sauce. I used to kill it, yo. Parents used to have to hide it for me. Or when they order, they will tell me last minute that they're ordering so I don't get the soy sauce, or they'll throw it out. Let's see. It doesn't taste like the rice cooked properly, but I'm hungry, so I have no choice. I'm about to make a mess. Oh. I don't think I told you guys why I'm here. I'm here for a beauty con. Yeah, first time going to this event. So I just messaged the girls, asked them what time we're meeting up tomorrow. I got the 2-day hauler pass, so I get to be there for 10. Well, Will Call is open at 9. I didn't get my wristband because they say they don't ship to international, so I paid $8 fee for that. It's the same thing. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish eating, and then if I watch TV or something, I'll let y'all know. Okay, bye y'all. So I ended up finishing, well, I don't know if you guys got that, so I ended up finishing my food. I'm so tired. I just want to knock out, but I need to digest my food. My hair is freaking itchy. I might not even put on the bonnet. This is my food. Look, it's all done. I have to force it down. It tastes like shit. Food was so damn hard. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go lie on this bed for a bit. Watch some TV, I guess. Show me. I need to show you all the TV. Hold on.
There's nothing like a close encounter with a radio.
TV's so damn loud, bro. Let me turn on the fan. I swear this fan.
Now we both worked up an appetite. Time for brunch.
Oh, so cold, so cold.
It's just overflowing with interesting.
Oh, I gotta get the card that shows the TV channels. So this is so good. They don't have this in Toronto. Maybe I don't go to hotels that much. Not Toronto, like, you know, Canada. Oh, so cold. Look, it has a TV. Ouch. TV channel list. So what am I going to watch?
Jesse and I meet with a friend in the heart of the West End.
Animal Planet, Cartoon Network, Disney Channel. I want Disney. 58.
But you promised we know. Sorry, buddy. We got a couple before we know.
59. What about E?
Brand new girl cave.
Like, what is this that they're showing? MTV, Food Network, HBO. So let's see, 67. What's playing over there? Some weird ass shit. 66.
And make sure that everybody can be a part of it. But if somebody... What happened with your wife?
There's nothing playing. Oh my god. Nickelodeon. I'm so excited because I don't have these channels. That's why. Oh, Friends. This is how it looks like here. Like, it's so crowded and things here. I can't even talk probably. I'm tired. TLC 50.
Limited seating my ass.
Is there a guide? Oh, there is a guide.
Multiple options prescribed for you, delivered to your home. No unsolicited opinions.
It doesn't even. The guide doesn't even work, y'all.
Finally, at forhers.com, we have solutions for hair, solutions for skin, solutions for libido. forhers.com.
BT 36. What?
Try it now for just $5.
Hold on, y'all.
This makes me see life in a whole different way.
Now this is what we're talking about. Martin. Martin.
I'm not like that. I'm still looking.
Martin, lighten up, okay? Fall asleep and get going before the mall gets too crowded.
Yeah, see, we may not be able to get any animal crackers. Remember?
So I'm gonna watch this. I can't even see myself. I'm gonna watch this a bit, digest, and then go to sleep because I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Y'all can see it. Long flight, long day. Alrighty, I'll see y'all guys later tomorrow. Bye.